Hey guys, it's me, Angel.B, coming at you with another look. So this look, I just played around with some colors like y'all know I always do. So to achieve this look, I only used two palettes. I used the Kerhet Dior's Annunaki palette, and then I used the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette to achieve this look. I want to thank everybody for the support, for watching, sharing, everything that y'all been doing, showing me love on my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I beat this face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the PLouise base in 03. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid to create a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Kerhet Dior Annunaki palette, and I'm going to use this dark blue. And I'm going to take this small Morphe brush to carve out the shape, and then I'll take a little bit bigger brush and start blending it out. Alright, so I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and the shade is Dance Party. And I'm going to take this pink and I'm going to blend it into the purple and bring the pink a little bit higher to my brow bone. Alright, so once I got the pink down, I'm going to take some of that blue again. And I'm going to go ahead and define the crease some more and bring the shade up a little bit higher to make sure that the two shades are well blended together. Alright, and to cut my crease, which I forgot to show it, but to cut my crease, I'm going to use the PLouise Acid Range Memo Mitchell, and it's in blank canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and carve out my shape and then make sure everything is like how I want it before I move on. Alright, so once I got it down, I'm going to pat the edges so that it's not no harsh line when I put the blue back down. So I'm still take the same blue and I'm going to just put this on the outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Tipsy Girl in the Volume 2 Jaclyn Hill. And I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and I'm going to also blend it into the blue. And then I will bring the blue back and blend it into the pink. Alright, so I'm going to take this next shade and I'm going to go ahead and put this down in the inner corner. And then I'm going to blend it into the pink and also go back into the pink and take this shade and blend it into the other one. And sorry guys that I didn't show the palette and the shades in this look. I totally forgot. Alright, so now I'm going to use the PLouise Acid Range, and this shade is Nitro. And I'm going to use a small paintbrush to carve out the top of the eyelid, and then I will use it also to do my wing. Alright, so for glitter, I'm going to use the Colourpop Glittery Obsessed, and the glitter is in Starfire, and I'm going to just put this along the eyelid, and then we should be almost done. So once this is finished, then I'll come back with the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.